My Flip 4 officially broke. Buckets are the best. Watch. I know how to fix it though, so it's fine. Watch, here's how to fix it. Okay. I'm gonna hold these two buttons. There you go, now it's unlocked. I fixed it. That's if you want more power going to your amplifier. Also, I need to charge this thing, as you may notice, and I dropped it again. See that big ass indent right there? Okay, so I fixed it. There you go. So in order to lock it again, because I'm gonna do the same exact thing and prank a lot of people who has a Jerry Beetle speaker to do that. Like, I'll prank them by making sure it's like broken. There you go, it's locked again. You can also do this while the charge is unplugged. I can assure you that. Watch. Hold on. So I'm doing this one-handed. It's very hard. Or you could just use like the charger I have there and plug it in. Technically, it's like an AC mode in some type of way. Okay, hold on. It should turn off. This is like the retail mode or something. You can say that.